Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Paul. Glad to see you back. And in this video, we're going to be going over the supplier lead section of third party profits. What is it for? Why is it important? How you're going to get value from it? And what I personally use it for in my own business. So, the supplier lead section is going to be a place where you can consolidate leads with brands and distributors and wholesalers, companies that you want to contact, have a clear and cut follow up method to them and create an organized system in your business to make sure that you are trying to open up wholesale accounts with them. Consistently in my business, the vendors that have once denied me are suppliers that I buy from today. So I would recommend if you're an Amazon wholesale business or a brand business, an Amazon direct business with brands, continue to reach out with them, be persistent. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We're gonna use ChatGPT as an example. I'm gonna look up wholesale grocery distributors. It just gave me a list of multiple different distributors that we can reach out to that ChatGPT is recommending to us. So let's go with a supplier like Cisco just to use them as an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up their website. I'm going to go to third party profits. I'm going to hit new lead. I'm just going to simply type in the supplier's name and then put their website in. I'm going to hit submit. So you'll see that now it says supplier name, their website, contact email, which you want to be able to find on their website or on Google. So let's say Cisco contact email and their phone number. Now I can also put in industry. So let's say this is going to be grocery and then what state they're in and whether you want to contact them first or not. So we can build out a list of brands and distributors on here and essentially be able to create a leads list for your business. Now, if you have an existing leads list, you can also just go through, click this little import button, drag and drop your file or upload your file. And then that way you have a list of all your suppliers you can monitor in the software. If you wanted to adjust the columns and create your own type of CRM, you can. So you can see that here, there's other columns that we could toggle here and bring into the software. So now we have more columns in here that were once hidden. So we will remove those columns. If you wanted to move a column, all you need to do is just simply drag and drop around to where you want to put it. And then if you wanted to save some filters, you could as well. So now that we have some supplier accounts that are created, if you end up opening up this wholesale account with, let's say, Cisco, and it's on your supplier leads, you can simply just search that lead. So obviously there's only one lead here, but you could search Cisco. It would only show you Cisco. Then you can click on here and click on push to supplier accounts. Now what that will do is that will automatically create an account for Cisco in our supplier account section, and we'll jump into what the supplier accounts is in just 1 second.